What's up, makers? My name is Luke. Puppetry is an art form which shares the process of animating inanimate objects to tell a story. It's been around since the 5th century BC in ancient Greece, and it is still very popular today. Puppets can be very complex with many moving parts, or simple, and that's why today our challenge is to create paper puppets. Hey yo, what's up, makers? Let's make some stuff, yeah! What's up? Well, howdy, makers. Hope you guys are doing great today. Let's make some stuff. This is my friend the bird, Flappy. Everybody say, hey, Flappy. All right, let's get to it.
We are first going to make a puppet that uses a pull-down lever to create a flapping effect. You can create a bird, a manta ray, anything that has wings or fins. Or you can be creative and use this mechanism for something different entirely. Supplies. You will need paper, a ruler, a pencil, a pair of scissors, some tape, some glue, and some markers. First, we need to create a 6" by 6" square for the wings. Make a mark at 6 inches. Then rotate your paper to the right and make another 6" mark. Now connect your marks. Next, we need to make a 1 1/4 inch mark on the right side of our paper. This will be the body of our winged creature. Now continue your first 6" mark to the bottom of your paper. Rotate your paper again and create 2 1/2" marks below your square. These will be our levers to pull down the wings of our puppet. Repeat at the bottom. And then connect your marks. Step 2. Time to cut. Cut along all of the solid lines. Now fold the square in half to form a triangle, and then cut along the fold so that you have 2 triangular wings. Step 3. Now it's time to assemble. Fold the long skinny piece in half along your 1 1/4 inch mark. Unfold it and glue a section on each side. Take your wings and place them on the glue and fold. Now take your pull tabs and tape them to the top portion of your wing. Now we are ready to test. Hold pull tabs together and pull down. Awesome! Now we have a flappy creature. Use your imagination to create an amazing winged creature that can be part of a puppet show. Now we are going to create our finger puppet. This puppet is made from one piece of paper and can be decorated to be pretty much anything that you want it to be. Be creative with your design and create a character to tell a story for a puppet show. First, we need to measure our paper into thirds. This is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of copy paper, so I'm going to make 2 and 13/16 inch marks at the top and bottom. This will help me fold my paper into thirds evenly. Now rotate your paper and fold the bottom of your paper up to the second mark. Fold the top to the bottom. Now fold the left side to the right edge. Next, fold the top portion to the left edge. Flip it over and repeat this step. Now open up the folds and place your thumb and fingers in the finger pockets. Make it talk and tell a story. By using our imaginations, we can create all kinds of characters with these simple puppets. Make it a person, an animal, or a creature. You are only limited by your imagination.
Thanks for watching this video. This video series is brought to you by the KSU I Teach Maker Bus team. Share your creation online using the hashtag #ITeachMaker. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at KSU I Teach. And don't forget to follow us online at @ITeachMakerBus. See you later, makers. See you later, guys. Y'all have a great